Hello, this is CS50 final project and I am Yasin from Turkey. I made a web-based application that generates random game ideas. I got the idea for this project from Sebastian Lague. Sebastian uses JavaScript and HTML to create an idea generator in this video. I really liked this idea and I wanted to push the concept forward using the power of Python. I would like to start with the homepage. You can generate new ideas by pressing the Generate button on the main screen. If you like an idea, you can save it by pressing the Like button. In the Liked Ideas page, you can see the ideas you liked and also you can download them with the file saver at the bottom of the page. History page also has similar features to Liked Ideas page. And finally, in the Advanced page, you can upload your own custom JSON file to generate game ideas. That's it for my final project, and thank you for your attention.